Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Jeep Wrangler parking brake. First, ensure your Jeep is on a level surface and the transmission is engaged. For safety, place wheel chocks firmly against the front wheels. Next, carefully lift the rear of your Jeep and secure it on sturdy jack stands. This provides safe access to the brake components. Remember, safety is paramount when working under any vehicle. With the rear wheels off, you'll see the brake drums. Look closely at the back of each drum for a small, oval-shaped rubber plug. This plug covers the access hole for the parking brake adjuster. Gently pry out these rubber plugs using a small flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage them, as they will need to be reinstalled later to keep out dirt and moisture. Now, insert a brake spoon or a flathead screwdriver through the access hole. You'll feel a star wheel adjuster inside. Rotate this star wheel, typically upwards, to expand the brake shoes. Turn it until you feel a slight drag when you try to spin the brake drum by hand. Then, back it off just a click or two until the drum spins freely with minimal resistance. Repeat this precise adjustment for the other side. Once both sides are adjusted, reinstall the rubber plugs into the brake drums. Then, mount your rear wheels back onto the Jeep and carefully lower the vehicle to the ground. Test the parking brake by engaging it and ensuring it holds the vehicle firmly. It should engage within 3 to 5 clicks. If not, you may need to fine-tune the adjustment slightly. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.